Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add home address on your uh, PaybyPhone app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you click here on account settings, click on it here. You come to next here, then all you have to do, you just click here on personal information here. And then you come to this list here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to home address and you click on it here. Then here you add your home address in this list here. So when you follow all your this list and you go down, you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.